Welcome, my name is Edwin Mochama. I want to perform this small activity of disassembling this system unit for this time. So first we start by opening some screws here to remove this upper lid. That's basically how you start it. Our system unit here is an old model. This is what we are going to use. Now if you look at it, you can see the hard drive, and then you can see the floppy drive here, you can see the combo drive here, then you have our power supply here, and there is also the system fan, or not the system fan, but the processor fan, and we have the rest, like the RAM is hiding somewhere here. This is our RAM, and we are going to disassemble this unit one by one, but for now I'm going to start with our hard drive right here. So for our hard drive, you can see it just has two screws. So to get this off, first we'll need to remove these cables. This is the data cable, and this is the power cable from the power source. So unplugging this, just leave it free, and then unplugging this also to make it free, so that we can open our screws right there. Those two, sorry for that. Okay. Now we can remove the hard disk drive. This is our hard disk drive, but always an old model. It's very heavy as it is, and this is what stores all the storage of this computer. So we want to get it back to how it was, and looking at it, so this is how you get it back, just the way it was. You fix it that way, and then you ensure the alignment of the screws so that so you get back the screws. That way. Now we can get back our data cable, whichever you want, the data cable or power source first. Now looking carefully at the terminals of the hard drive, you fix your data cable like that, and then you fix it like that, and then the power source just like that, and it's good to go. Now we get back our lid so that our computer is ready for use once again. Just nice and easy. And then you put back the screws. Just like that. Thank you.